you all to study with Malsha YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about Microsoft Logo primitives. We know in Microsoft Logo, we should always work with the turtle. If you are confused with these terms, please refer our previous video to get an idea about the basic parts of logo window. Normally, the turtle works according to a predefined set of commands. These commands are known as primitives in Logo. Today, we are going to learn the main 4 primitives which we need to know when moving our turtle around the drawing area. So, here's the first tip for you. Remember, the logo commands should always be written inside your input box. Alright, always our turtle normally can move forward, backward, left and right. For each side, there is a separate command which you need to use. First, let's learn how to send our turtle forward. First of all, you need to type the command as FD means forward inside your input box. Now leave one space with your space bar in the keyboard. Okay, now you can mention the number of steps you need to move your turtle. As an example, if you need to move your turtle 100 steps, you can use the number 100. For this example, I will mention 100. Again, I will repeat this. Type FD, then leave a space with your spacebar, then type 100. Alright, now you can click the enter button from your keyboard. Here we go. I think now you saw how my turtle moved forward. Now let's see how to move our turtle backward. Now the steps are easy because you learned how to send the turtle forward before. Here we need to type BK and then leave a space with the spacebar. Now you should mention the number of steps you need. So I am going to write 50 for this example. Okay. So my turtle has moved back 50 steps. Now let's learn how to turn our turtle left and right. When turning our turtle, we should type the degree of our angle. That means the side you need to turn your turtle. So my little kids, if you are not familiar with angles, look at this example very carefully. Can you see my turtle? He moves towards the tree to meet the rabbit. In this picture, if the turtle uses the FD command, he cannot meet the rabbit. So, he should turn 30 degrees right. So, now let's give the command in our input box. So, to turn my turtle right side, I am going to use RT command. After typing RT, you can leave a space with the space bar and now mention the angle as 30. Let's see another example. If my turtle needs to meet the bird, my turtle should turn more than 30 degrees. So, I will put RT, then I have kept a space, then type 90. Okay, so I hope now you understood how to turn your turtle. So, finally, let's learn how to turn the turtle into left side so that my turtle can see the cat. Here you can simply use the command LT, then leave a space and type 90. Now you can get the previous picture as an example when you are typing all these angles. So you can see now my turtle has turned left side like this. Finally, I will teach you two other important commands. Okay? Now these commands will be very helpful for you when you are clearing your screen. Now you can see our screen has many lines. Okay? First of all, I am going to teach you all how to clean my screen. Okay, so here I can use two options. First one, you can type CS in your input box. Okay, I have typed CS. Now I am going to hit the enter button. Okay, so this is the first way we can clear our screen. And there is another option. Can you see this reset button? So once you click this reset button also, you can do the same thing. That means you can clear your screen. Okay, now can you see your recall list? Here see, now recall list is full of commands. We can clear this. You can use CT command when clearing your recall list. Okay, so I am going to clear this by typing CT. Alright, now you can hit the enter button. Okay, so now my screen as well as the recall list has been cleared. Okay, so I have given you a small activity. You can try this with Microsoft logo and send your answer as a comment to my video. Let's see who is going to find the correct shape. So, see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.